I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make authentic pesto. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, and a 1/2 cup each of grated Parmesan and Pecorino Sardo cheese. Don't forget a 1/2 cup of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Using a mortar and pestle is key for that traditional texture, but a food processor can work too. Lightly toasting your pine nuts beforehand will really bring out their delicious flavor. Now let's get to the fun part. First, place your 2 garlic cloves and a small pinch of coarse salt into your mortar. Grind them until they form a smooth paste. Next, add your 1/3 cup of pine nuts and continue to grind until they are well incorporated and creamy. Then, gradually add your 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, a handful at a time. Gently crush the basil against the sides of the mortar, rotating as you go until it's a vibrant green paste. Once your basil, garlic, and pine nuts are a beautiful paste, it's time for the cheeses. Add your 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan and 1/2 cup of Pecorino Sardo. Stir them in thoroughly until everything is well combined. Now, slowly drizzle in your 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Keep stirring continuously as you add the oil to create a smooth, emulsified sauce. You want a rich, vibrant green pesto with a perfect consistency, not too runny and not too thick. Your authentic pesto is now ready to enjoy. To store any leftovers, place it in an airtight container. Pour a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil over the top. This helps prevent oxidation and keeps it fresh. It will last in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer storage, you can freeze it for several months. Pesto is incredibly versatile. It's perfect with pasta, as a spread on bruschetta, or even stirred into soups. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.